Medium problem, champagne tower with stacked glass in a pyramid where first row has 1 glass, second 2 glass. Okay. Uh, Again, a math question, I guess. So, one thing I have to understand. Let's say I poured 2. Okay. Okay. If I pour 1, 2, so first you have to. That's interesting. I mean, it's not that big, so interesting thing to note is that for each you just want to know when it is gonna be poured, I guess. So you need to know when are the neighbors gonna be poured. So you get half from that guy. Good question. I guess I should simulate it to see what happens. So say I pour this one. So what I want to do is I want to go through rows. I pour 1 glass and it's in the first row, right? So I pour it here. So A00 plus double. And we go for the rows. And here is what we are gonna do. If aij minus 1 epsilon, so this is because of floating point arithmetic, that 3 plus minus 1 in float is not really 2, but okay. So if there is more than 1, we need to split it. So double diff aij so aij is 1.0 and then ai plus 1j ai plus 1j plus 1 is diff, and then that's it, I guess. And then we just debug. So debug a. That's too much. Let's do first 10 rows. It's not gonna go further. Non-void function. Okay. Whatever. First there is 1. Divided by 2.0, like that. Okay, that's better. So we pour another glass and it's full. One to one. Okay, so unsurprisingly, it's filled according to the distribution. 1. I have no clue what the Pascal triangle is, bro. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1. So that's 1. So that's 8. That's understandable. So after each time, well, that's weird. I don't know why there is suddenly so much. 1.25 and because this makes sense, like here it's from 4 parts and each gets the number in the Pascal triangle times the part, right? And the water flows there first when, well, here with 1 poured, here with 2 poured, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. Oh, that's not 7, bro. So in this layer sum is 4, so this, so in this layer the sum is 1 3 3 1, which is I don't know how much. That's a little hard to calculate. So let's say that is 100 times 100. I mean, maybe you could do it faster, but this has to be math, done with math. Let's do like 100 iterations. This is understandable. Here is where it gets tricky, because I pour a cup of champagne, right? A half pours here, half pours here, and then quarter falls here, quarter here, and half here, and then half splits into this. And now it suddenly gets tricky, because I don't know why. Oh, I know. I can just straight up just do this. And then return ij. Looks like I can't. That's tough. Oh, not first 10, bro. First n minus 1. Okay, that works. So let's delete this. I'm so stupid, I didn't think of this earlier. This was easy, bro. Just simulated it. Okay, that's it. Is there any math? Okay. I guess I could do this in faster memory, I guess. Vector double bn aj, then aj is this, bj this, and a is b, and if I query row, return a query class, otherwise like that. It sucks. Query row 0, return 1. B fill with zeros. So I propagate it, and then the answer is in B. Answer is in A. Okay. So if I think this should work. Should work. One case didn't pass. You can pour 0. Really? That's kind of dumb. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. half of the excess wine to corresponding glasses in lower row. ON squared, where n is the number of rows. Since we have to go through each row and all of which there are ON, and through for each of its elements classes we do O1 work. Of which are also ON. O of n if okay, this was doable. Goodbye.